All right, hello fifth graders. I know it's only been 2 days, but getting a little stir crazy, so I thought I'd give you guys a little help and show you a home experiment you can do on momentum. The first thing you'll need is to design a ramp out of anything. Be creative. All right. Second thing you need is some kind of obstacle. I like using a block of wood for this, and just for fun, I put the coronavirus on there. Seems to be the enemy of us all right now anyway. So I'll set my obstacle right here in front of the ramp, about 18 inches or so. And I'll put a ball here and we'll roll it down and we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna start off with a marble. Now I wanna put it on there, gravity will pull it down the ramp, it'll gain momentum. And let's see what that momentum has, the effect it has on our obstacle. First ball is a marble. No, marble had no effect on the coronavirus. Let's try ping pong balls, a little bigger. Bounced right off of it. Not gonna work. So let's go something with a little bit more weight. How about a golf ball? Let's see what that does. Ooh, close. Not enough though. Let's go something maybe a little bigger. How about a beach ball? Kind of around be at the beach anyway. There we go, beach ball. Ooh, beach ball. Couldn't do it. Well, the thing about momentum is it's a combination of how fast you are going and the weight of the object. I could take the ramp and raise it to make it go faster. That would have an effect. Or I could just get a heavier object. I got a bowling ball. Let's see what a bowling ball does to our obstacle. Bowling ball, here we go. Ooh, wiped it out. Who would have known? All it takes to wipe out the coronavirus is a bowling ball. Interesting. But really, on a serious note, the last 2 days I've learned something. I know on the outside of my classroom door, it says Mr. Loughridge, but this isn't my classroom. This is our classroom, and it just isn't the same without all of you here. I want you to know that we all miss you, and please stay safe.